as you can see over here with weekly sales on Clickbank, we had over every single day over $500 to $1,000 in profits. Now, if you want to get the results with Clickbank affiliate marketing, as you can see over here on this screen, and you really want to get to making, let's say, $350 to $700 per day with Clickbank affiliate marketing, then you need to understand some strategy that works really well with TikTok traffic. Let me show you over here. If I go over here, right, you can see, right on my screen, you can see the overview for the last 6 days. But let me go over here for the views. This is all organic free traffic. Let me go here to, let's say, last 7 days, we had 250,000 views. So you can see on my screen over here, right, as I show you, 250,000 views, 4,000 profile views, 36,000 likes. Now you can imagine if you're on Clickbank as an affiliate, as a newbie, and let's say you get only 1 to 5 sales per day from these views. Of course, this is much more than that. You can get 50 to 100 sales from that per day, from those views in a week. Now, if you have less views, it doesn't really matter because you only need 1 or 2 sales per day to make $300 or $400 a day, which is actually 12,000 US dollars per month. Now, let me show you over here. Let me go over here and you can see, right? We have good engagement, but let me click here and let's say last 28 days, we had 1.2 million views on TikTok, organic free traffic, profile views 19,000 and likes 149,000. It tells us that the audience, the humans on the other side, they really like the thing and they're engaging with it. All right. Now, as you watch this video, if you're wondering where you can reach out to me later, is over here on my Instagram. You can see, right? Over here, you can reach out to my IG, follow me, DM me, ask me any questions you want regards to making money online, affiliate marketing, all right? Getting really great results as a beginner, okay? As a beginner, if your goal is to make at least $300 to $700 US per day net profit, okay? So if you have any questions, you can reach out to me over here later, okay? But now the most important thing is understanding the concept of affiliate marketing over here, right? The reason why you are losing money if you're affiliate is because attention and intention, it means buyer, okay? So attention, it means like if you have attention without intent, it means you have only curiosity clickers or non-buyers. So basically you're wasting money on TikTok or YouTube or Facebook ads because you don't understand. And again, it's not your fault. Maybe you tried before different courses and you failed. Again, it's not your fault because you don't understand you don't know what you don't know. So why you're losing money is because attention and intention is buyer. But you have only attention. You have only people who click on your ads because they look weird, they have like ugly images, it's strange thing, it get a lot of attention without intention. So there is no buyer's intent. There is no message to the market match. That's what matters. As you can see over here, lots of gurus on Clickbank are teaching you to create a ClickFunnels landing page like this. You can see it's lots of attention. It seems weird, ugly, like strange. You will get curiosity clickers without intent. It means you're losing money. All right? And again, it's not your fault because once you understand how to do this correctly and you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step and hand holding you along the way, then my friend, you will be able to start gaining traction and start realizing that you need someone who can help you one-on-one on the Zoom call to get true results. Okay, so how fast you can make $500 per day? As you can see, if you have a low ticket product on Clickbank and your product is $100 and your commission is, let's say, 90%, you're making $90 per day profit. So it means to make $500 per day, as you can see over here on my screen right now, you need only 5 sales per day, 5 or 3 sales a day, and you're making over $12,000, $15,000 per month. Okay? Now, if there are upsells, of course, you only need 2 sales per day and to hit $500 profit per day. Okay? So the last question is, if you could do it alone, wouldn't you have done it by now? Okay? If you knew how to make money online, you would be watching this video right now. And the reason you don't know how to make money online is because you tried all the things in the past. You tried all the courses, and there was always something missing. There was always a missing puzzle, right? There was something, like even you have a picture, right? There's always one puzzle that is missing, that's gone. And if you have one puzzle, it enables you, it allows you to naturally gain results to complete the bigger picture. Same thing here with affiliate marketing, right? You need someone to show exactly how everything is done step by step, especially in 2024. Now, the most important thing is this. People do not buy when they are in problem state. They buy when they are in the solution state. So the main key to get money online is to get people with your ClickFunnels pre-sale page, with landing page, with ads, to put them into the problem state and then turn them into the solution state. As you can see over here, there is no competition here. You see competition only 10%, because those people are problem unaware. They don't know they have diabetes problem. They don't know they have a back pain problem, or they're about to get a cancer, right? So those are problem unaware people. And over here we have solution aware people, and the competition, you can see it's 80%, but audience size is only very low, 5%. So once you know, my friend, how to get people with your ads on Facebook or TikTok or Google in the problem state and move them into the solution state, you will not be able to compete with other people. So you'll be able to naturally gain traction, naturally get sales. So as you watch this video right now, what you can do next is you can connect with me one-on-one. All the links are below in the description. Links are in the description, my Facebook, my email, my personal cell phone number on WhatsApp and Instagram. Reach out to me, okay? So you can start gaining results.